You've watched 100 money videos, budgeting, side hustles, how I made $10,000 a month, and you're still broke. Why? Because deep down, you're comfortable staying broke. Body truth bombs. Let's cut the crap. You don't have a money problem. You have a behavior problem. You spend $8 on Starbucks every morning and call it self-care. You DoorDash food instead of cooking, and then cry about inflation. You treat money like therapy, not a tool. Truth number one. You think watching YouTube equals progress. It's not. That grind set playlist, that's your new addiction. You're chasing dopamine, not discipline. Truth number two, you avoid discomfort like it's the plague. Saving feels boring. Investing feels risky. So you stay in this financial purgatory, not poor enough to panic, not smart enough to grow. And here's the truth. No one wants to say. You already know what to do. You just don't want to do it. Shift, mindset change. So here's the shift. Act broke on purpose. Live under your means. Cancel the fake flex. Build the skill, not the illusion. Track every dollar, not because you're broke, but because you're done living like it. Closing slap. You've got two choices. Keep watching videos and feeling inspired, or shut this off and start acting like someone who's done being average. You decide.